Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm ITEE RATHORE. We are going to deal with the tired looking skin today. The skin when you have to go for work, you have to go out and your skin's looking tired as if you just woke up, which you have. So I'm going to give that kind of skin a little life. So I am here applying Nivea SPF 30 sunscreen lotion and nicely massaging into my skin so that my skin soaks it, and you can apply your favorite moisturizer mixed with it and nicely massage it into your skin so that your skin looks hydrated. So I'm going to prime my face with L'Oreal Base Magic Smoothening Primer. I'm going to apply it on the areas where I have pores, because tired skin makes your pores look bigger. So this is going to smoothen my skin and prepare it for makeup. Again, rub it gently on your face, like so. This is Wet n Wild Clear Gel. I'm going to brush it gently on my eyebrows. With the help of it, you can fill your eyebrows. Since I have very bushy and thick eyebrows, I don't need it. Various highlighting sticks are coming, but I'm going to use my Jackie and Lauren highlighter palette. This will give my face that glow from within, my tired looking skin. So I'm going to take the lighter one. So the trick to look glowing is apply on your bony area and then smudge it. Keep applying highlighter and keep smudging it like I'm doing. I'm just wearing everything and then just smudge it. So it looks natural. It doesn't look like it is sitting on your face. Apply it on your nose, your forehead. Giving my skin that glow, I'm going to use this 925 Lakme CC cream on my face. I'm not using foundation because I don't want a lot of coverage. I like CC cream better. It gives natural coverage and just evens out the skin tone, that redness and everything. And at the same time, when your skin is looking tired, this is a very important thing to remember. Don't wear heavy makeup to hide your skin, because it is going to look very cakey. So make sure the health of your skin is good when you apply a lot of makeup. So if you have tired looking skin, puffy skin, which means you are dehydrated, not enough sleep, so don't wear a lot of makeup. It is going to just make a mess on your face. So massage CC cream onto your face, neck, chest, ears, everywhere nicely, and make sure that you even out the edges. And there you go. Let's wear blush on my face. This is by Yves Saint Laurent YSL. It's in color peach. Brush, but I am using my fingers. I'm going to ditch that brush as soon as I realize that I have a brush in my hand and I'm not using it. So apply it on your cheeks and your eyelids so that it gives that pink peachish flush, which is going to give you that freshness. I'm holding brush for nothing, so I will just use my fingers, tip of my fingers, by smoothing everything out and applying this, spreading this blush on my cheeks nicely, evenly, on my nose a little, to give that freshness on my face. Now that I'm sufficiently pink, I am going to add highlighter, another layer of highlighter with the help of my fingertips on the bony area of my face, like so. And I'm going to keep smudging it just to give it a natural look. It is going to look like I am glowing from within, and it looks hydrated. The tip of my nose, inner corner of the eye, it is going to open up my eyes, since I'm looking very sleepy right now. So this is going to give a nice light on my eyes. I'm just applying everything and then keep smudging it. I keep smudging it to give it a natural look. And that is all you have to do. There's not much. I don't think I've used brushes in this look. Now I'm lining my lips with lip liner. It is going to add some definition to my lips. This is Inglot in number 63. This is close to my natural lip color. And now I am going to hydrate my lips with this Dior Color Reviver lip balm. It is in color coral. I like this one. This has a coral peachish look. It is going to add some color to my lips without making them look too made up. And now I will just smudge them with my finger, like so. Like I'm going to sleep right here. Look more awake, I'm going to fill my lash line with dry black eyeshadow with my Smashbox Cosmetic and this angular brush. I'm going to fill my eyelash. In my description box to the video wherein I show how I fill my eyelash line. Now I'm applying a lot of mascara to open up my eyes. To put a lot of mascara on the outer lashes, because I've noticed a lot of you miss out on those lashes, and that really opens up your eyes. Prep and Prime Fix Plus, I'm going to add another layer of mist so that my dehydrated skin looks a little hydrated. So this is the exact look I was aiming for. Naturally glowing from within, hydrated, the glow looks natural, lipstick looks natural. So see you next week, guys. If makeup doesn't help either, wear glasses, hide your eyes, tired eyes. That tired, now I look fresh and hydrated. This video, subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you next week. Mwah.